The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.